Here's probably the easiest C chord you'll ever play. It's a kiddie version of C. All you do is take finger 1 and go fret 1, string 1, 2, and then play all 3 strings down. Put your finger about right here. Play strings 1, 2, and 3. So this is probably the easiest G chord you'll ever play. You just take finger 1, go to fret 3, string 1, and hold that down. Play string 3 down, and that's a G chord. I call it the kiddie G because a lot of times when you're teaching children to play guitar, they're playing these. They're starting out with these really easy chords. So that's the kiddie G chord. Your kiddie G7 chord is a super easy chord. You just go finger 1, fret 1, string 1, and play strings 3 down. And I call that the kiddie G7 chord because a lot of times when you're teaching kids to play guitar, you're starting out with these very easy, simple chords so they can learn songs. Here's a song using the kiddie C and the kiddie G. I'm just strumming strings 3 down. So you could even play a song with just the kiddie C and the kiddie G. He's got the whole world in his hands, he's got the whole world in his hands, he's got the whole world in his hands, he's got the whole world in his hands. And just for perspective, if you're playing that song with the regular C and G7, it would sound like this. He's got the whole world in his hands, he's got the whole world in his hands, he's got the whole world in his hands, he's got the whole world in his hands. So again with the kiddie C and G, he's got the whole world in his hands, he's got the whole world in his hands, he's got the whole world in his hands, he's got the whole world in his hands. And you can even pick it. He's got the whole world in his hands, he's got the whole world in his hands, he's got the whole world in his hands, he's got the whole world in his hands.